Hello friends, welcome to our channel Contemporary Literary Review India. Before I move ahead, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about MLA style, which is widely used for references and bibliography in research papers and books in the field of humanities. MLA stands for Modern Language Association. There are several styles for references and bibliography that research scholars use in research papers and theses for degrees as such as master's degree, MPhil, and PhD. Some of the popular styles are MLA, that is Modern Language Association, APA, American Psychological Association, ACS, American Chemical Society, and IEEE, which stands for Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, and Chicago, Harvard, and Turabian. However, I will be here talking about MLA style. What are the elements that are generally used in citation for references and bibliography? So remember a few basic requirements like author's name, editor's name, titles of books, magazines, journals, articles, place of publication, publisher's name, year of publication, publication mode, that is either digital or print, page numbers, volume numbers, and issue numbers. Remember one thing, that all these elements are not used in every citation. They are used for certain elements are used for certain citation. For example, editors' names are used only in the book which has been compiled or edited by several editors. This will be very much clear in later slides. So how will you give citation for references of books with a single author? You have to use author's name in the order like last name should be followed by first name. Then title of the books, which should be in italics. Then place of publication with city and country. Then publisher's name, and then year of publication, and then publication mode. I have provided examples here, like if you are citing the book, what post-colonial theory does not say. So the author name should be written like Westall Clare, and then so the author's name should be presented as Westall Clare, then the book name, and then place and country, and then publication, year of publication, and then the print mode. Similarly, the second example is likewise given here as for Edward Sanders, Sanders, comma, Edward, and then the book name, then volume, and then publication name, place of publication, and then publisher's name, and then year. Now, if you have two authors for references, means two authors have written one book, then write in this order. First author's names should be written as last name followed by first name. But the last author's name should be mentioned as first name followed by last name. Then title of the book, place of publication, once again with city and country, publisher's name, publication mode, and the examples are here like Maclean, Bethany, and Peter Elkind. The smartest guys in the room, the amazing rise and scandalous fall of Enron. New York portfolio 2004. And then I have given the second example as well. Now, if one single book has been written by 3 or even more authors. In the first example was with one author, then 2 authors. Now it's more than 3 or 3. First authors should be written as last name followed by first name. Then you should better mention as et al. For all others. And then title of the book, place of publication, publisher name, year of publication, and then publication mode. The first example I would like to mention here as Armstrong and Kay et al. Communicating Climate Change, a guide for educators, New York, Cornell City Press, 2018. And likewise, here goes the second example. Now, how would cite the reference of books with one editor? Editor, that means this editor has compiled the articles or chapters or sections by several authors. So the first author's name should be written like last name followed by first name. And then last editor's name should be mentioned as first name followed by last name, as we did in multiple authors convention. And it is advisable that we should be using edit, that stands for editors, to indicate that okay, this book has been edited. And then title of the books in italics, then place of publication, and then publisher's name, year of publication, and publication mode. The example goes like Booth David, editor, to indicate that okay, this name is editor's name and not an author's name. Rethinking Social Development Theory, Research and Practice, Essex, Longman, 1994. Now, there may be cases like you have to cite reference of a chapter in a book. That means book is either a collection of like anthology or something like bibliography, or like a library edition of books, something like where several authors and editors may be contributing to a single collection. In this case, write the first author's names as last name followed by first name. And last author's name should be mentioned as first name followed by last name. Then title of chapter in quotation. Remember here, it's slightly different. Like we have to mention the chapter name, but in quotation. And then title of collection in italics. Then ed for editors. And then you will write other things as we have been doing. Now, the example goes like Johnson Ben, to the memory of my beloved, the author, Mr. William Shakespeare. Here, by presenting this in quotation, we can easily understand, okay, this is the chapter name, and then write the collection name like the Norton Anthology of Poetry, and then write ed, that stands for editor, Alexander Ellison et al., New York, Norton, 1983, and then page number. Page number is here required because this is being referred to a single section or chapter in a book. So it is advisable to mention the page numbers as well. Reference of a book from corporate or organization. And this should be cited like this. First, we should mention organization name, then title of book or collection in italics, and then place of publication, publisher, and then year of publication. The example goes here like Department of Agriculture, Food and Rural Development. Pedigree Sheep Breed Improvement Program. Performance results for lambs summer 2000. Then Kevin, Department of Agriculture, Food and Rural Development 2000. Now, how to cite a reference for a journal article which appears in print only. So the elements should be like first author's names in the order like last name followed by first name. Then last author's name should be always mentioned as first name followed by last name. Then title of article in quotation. And then title of journal in italics, followed by volume number, issue number, then year of publication, and then pages. Once again, remember here page number is important because this is the collection and from where we are referring to a single section or chapter. The example goes like Man Susan means Miss of Asian Womanhood, Journal of Asian Studies, and this is volume number 59.1, then year of publication, and this is page number. The second example goes likewise, like Burza M, book review on Khurshid Alam's Key to Happiness. This is once again because this is a collection of several articles or research papers in a single anthology titled Contemporary Literary Review India. Then followed by volume name, issue number, and then year of publication and page numbers. And because this is in print edition, so you can mention this as print. Now, reference of an e-journal article. Similarly, write the first author's names in the order like last name followed by first name, and then last author's name should be mentioned as first name followed by last name. Then title of article, title of journal, volume, issue, and pages. And here one addition is like, if this is solely e-journal, then you should better mention database like web and date month with air accessed, means when you actually referred to this article. The example goes here. Ferris Mark, that Chicago sound, playing with local identity in underground rock. Popular Music and Society, volume number this, and then air, and then page number, then EBS co-host, web, April 5, 2011. Similarly, the second example goes here. Now, how would you cite a reference from a thesis? So write the author's name first in the order last name followed by first name, then title of the thesis, then degree statement, degree awarding body, like university name, something like that, and year of approval, and then format. The example goes here like Alan Seen, the social and moral fiber of Celtic Tiger Island, PhD thesis, University College Dublin, 2009, and print. Thank you.